My province just went into lockdown again after being the #1 hotspot for COVID in North America. Woo! We did it, everyone! Now me and thousands of other students are going back to online learning.
Sleep. I know it sounds lame, and it doesn't sound very exciting, but trust me, it will help you in the long run. Keep some sort of schedule. Go to bed at a normal time. Wake up at a normal time. It doesn't even have to be the normal time that you would for school. How are you expected to get anything productive done or feel good about existence if you're not sleeping? I hate sleeping too. I mean, what even is sleep at this point? But you gotta do it. Gotta do it. Just sleep. Go for a walk or do something in the morning before school. Don't wake up with school. And I'd recommend going for a walk or doing something before starting school.
Wow, isn't nature beautiful? Old concrete? I thought they were supposed to be putting in new concrete.
Okay, now we're at our first class. I'm only going to do the classwork that I need to do during that class. I'm not going to do some classwork that I missed out on yesterday. No, save that for that class. Right now, after walking, which kind of initiated you into going to school, you're now at school. Yeah, don't let work bleed into other classes, because I tried doing that. I was completely scatterbrained, got nothing done, but I did manage to watch through 4 seasons of a show. Great. My first class is over. Now I have to wait a few minutes for the next one. So I'm just going to relax and go on my... No. Get up. Do something. Do something other than the same thing that you were already doing, staring at a screen, burning your eyeballs out. Even if you don't go to a school where you have to walk between classes, still go for a walk between classes. Or even move your workstation. Make it feel like you're going to do different work than you did previously. Oh dang, you can't focus during your second class because you're at home? Do anything that would make you focus at home. For me, I can only work if there is white noise blocking out the deep, depressing thoughts from the inside, and they just let me just completely immerse me in my work. I have these soundproof headphones. If the house was burning down and my family was turning into ashes, I would still be in the basement jamming out to Mariokart music. That's how immersed in my work I can get. I also manage every time there's a few weeks of online school that I have to do.
Thank you, Modern Family, for sometimes being the reason I wake up in the morning.
I find a TV show that just carries me throughout the entire thing. You know, you need something to look forward to, some passage of time, some progression to feel. But it just feels great to I accomplished something during this online school. Maybe it wasn't schoolwork, but at least I got through the good place. And now I'm watching Modern Family. It's kind of depressing. How have I not seen those shows before? Oh look, because you distracted yourself, it's lunch now. And time to do nothing school related. Do something that isn't technology. Please enjoy your lunches. Don't waste them working. Now, since you followed the other steps, you should have made it to the end of the day without a depressive episode. Yes. First time, yeah. But now it's go for another walk. You're walking home. You're walking to the bus stop. You're riding your bike home. Do something that, once again, turns off I'm at school. Even if it doesn't really work, it still helps, I think, to give yourself a complete mental break and go outdoors. One thing that sucks is I had online school during winter. So, last but not least, be in contact with your teachers. Answer a few questions during the Zooms or Google Meets. I during normal school I was afraid to email teachers because I'm they get so many emails already, I don't want to bother them. But emailing is pretty much your only method of communication if you do not want to ask a question in front of the entire class. Don't be afraid to do that, and I understand that all that teachers are good, and if they aren't good, then screw them. I realize a lot of this video is just me pointing out things that I do that you shouldn't do.
I think the only way to deal with online school and not go insane is to be in complete denial, like all your issues. It's all about tricking your brain so that you feel like you're at school when you're really not. I don't always follow these rules, and I end up giving up about 2 weeks in, but doing these things does help delay the inevitable. Good luck with online school. Hopefully this will all be over soon.